Welcome to GeckoSafe's Safety Step Dread and Nosing Installation video. To install your product you will require some tools and materials. You will need a dustpan and broom, a wire brush, scissors, a pencil, a clean cloth, solvent, either shellac or acetone, a paintbrush. To ensure the best results with your installation, always use our specially formulated GeckoSafe's contact adhesive. You need to inspect the substrate surface. It should be clean of contaminations such as dirt, mildew, flaking paint, rust or oil. The next thing to do is measure the width of the steps. During your inspection you should also be looking for damage to the substrate. If it is severely cracked, chipped or otherwise damaged, you should consider repairing the substrate before continuing the installation of this product. If the product is longer than the width of your steps, then you will need to cut the product to your required size. Otherwise you can continue to the next step: cleaning the substrate. It is very important that the substrate be thoroughly clean for the adhesive to obtain a quality bond to the surface. Use your wire brush to remove mildew, powdery concrete, rust from metal and any flaking paint that may be present. Once you have finished with the wire brush, thoroughly sweep the surface clean of any dust or debris. Just in case there is any oil or other chemical contamination, give the step edge a rub with a cloth soaked in solvent. Once you have finished cleaning, your preparation is nearly complete. There is only one thing further to do before you can start gluing the product down. You need to mark out a pencil outline of the product as a guide to where to apply the adhesive. When you have finished outlining the product, you are ready to apply the adhesive. The adhesive should be applied to the substrate first, and it is important that you use liberal amounts, paying particular attention to the outline edges, as this is where the product will receive most of its mechanical stressing over its lifespan. Should you make a mistake and apply the adhesive in the wrong place, don't panic, simply soak a cloth in solvent and wipe the adhesive away. But do it right away before the adhesive has had the opportunity to cure. The next step is to apply the adhesive to the underside of the product. Ensure that the product is completely coated, and again paying particular attention to the edges. Allow the GeckoSafe contact adhesive to cure for about 5 minutes or until it is touch dry. After testing that the adhesive is ready, it is time to bond the product in place. Starting from one end, hold the product in position just above the substrate. taking care not to make contact with the substrate surface. Once satisfied with the position, with your thumb, press the product's corner edge firmly onto the substrate's edge and draw your thumb across the product's entire length. While doing this, use your fingers to slide under the product's riser face, preventing it from contacting the substrate. Now, wet your cloth with solvent and use it to firmly press the product's step face onto the substrate. Pay particular attention to the edges. While doing this, you are also cleaning the product and the substrate of any excess adhesive. It is now time to bond the product's riser face to the substrate. Wet your cloth again and press it firmly against the riser, just as you did on the step face. This step is now finished. Repeat the process for each step you wish to apply the nosing to. Should you require any additional information or assistance, then please go to our website www.GeckoSafe.com.au. Thank you for watching this installation video.